Portia Kimball, the Cake Diva, and today I'm going to instruct you on how to make fondant basketballs. I'm going to use a basketball candy mold. It's very simple to use and it's fondant friendly. You do not have to spray the inside with Crisco. It will pop out on its own. If you're unsure, it's not a problem to spray it. I'm going to take some orange fondant that I have balled up into my hand. Then I'm going to put it inside the mold and then I'm going to press firmly down. This is going to make sure that we get all those lines and ridges of the basketball to make it look more realistic. Next, I'm going to take one of my sharp tools. I'm going to pierce it at the end to make the ball pop out. If there is a little bit of a dot right here, an opening, just use your fingers and we'll just kind of seal it up. You can just rub that out. And now we have a basketball. If you have the time, you can use black buttercream icing to make the lines of the basketball, but if you're in a hurry, you can use a black food writer. Just follow the lines and the ridges and you'll get that look that you're going for. And that's it, a fondant basketball. My name is Portia Kimball, the Cake Diva, and today I instructed you on how to make fondant basketballs. We'll see you next time.